cases are going up across Central Florida and most other states across the country.
That's especially true in Brevard County, where the positivity rate of over 11% is higher than the state average, which is under 9%. Matt Lipoli reports now on the latest data.
After a long lull, doctors across Florida are seeing an uptick again. Emergency medicine physician Rajiv Ball is one of them.
Throughout emergency departments and urgent care centers throughout the state of Florida, we're starting to see more and more cases of COVID-19.
In Brevard County specifically, health officials are monitoring one of the fastest surges to date. After a fairly steady average for several weeks, the latest set of data shows a 42% case increase from mid-June into the first week of July. As cases climb again, though, the vaccination rate has slowed its upward trend.
There was a lot of demand initially.
Aaron Moon from Discount Pharmacy says he's seen the demand level off firsthand.
I found that the vast majority of our customers are either fully vaccinated or they're just unsure. They're kind of on the fence. So one of the things I do as well is try to just talk to them about the benefits of getting vaccinated, how easy it is. We've had a good number of our customers who were initially hesitant. They have ended up getting the vaccine and they feel better about it. They don't have any negative side effects. They realize, hey, it was an easy process. I wish I had done this 6 months ago.
Brevard County's total population vaccination rate for people receiving at least one dose of the vaccine is just under 49%. The state average is just under 55%.
The unvaccinated population are the people that are actually getting this virus in the most severe of cases. Those are the ones that are ending up on oxygen, ending up in the intensive care unit, and sometimes even intubation or even death.
Also increasing is the number of variant cases, like the Delta variant, which is considered more severe and more infectious. Not all tests are sampled for variants, though, but at least 5 Delta cases have been detected in Brevard County. Matt Lipoli, WESH 2 News.
And be sure to download the WESH 2 News mobile app. And when you do, turn on the alerts for updates on the closest vaccination centers in your neighborhood and all of the other coronavirus-related news. It'll go directly to your mobile device.
And let's